Hey there, do-it-yourself technicians. We talked last week about Windows updates, why we need them, how to get them, and how to find and install the latest major updates to Windows 10. Sometimes Windows updates have issues, so I wanted to take you through a list of troubleshooting steps that you can take on your own to get past those stuck updates. These are all things that you can do on your machine and possibly save yourself a trip to the computer shop and maybe a hefty bill. There are times when Windows updates get stuck. Here's a simple one. The system has done its updates, but it's waiting on a reboot. So find a good time, save all your work, and restart your machine. And then check for updates again. It's really important, and you'll probably hear me say it several times during this video. Some of the updates have updates to them, so you want to make sure you check and make sure you've got them all. Some other simple problems include not enough disk space. So we recommend you run the disk cleanup wizard, or see if we can get rid of some other files in other ways. Or this one where the computer's complaining there's no internet. Maybe you're not connected to the internet, or maybe you've got some spyware that's getting in the way. I'd have a look at the episode we did on Malwarebytes, linked up above, and see if that can help you out. Or sometimes, if your computer is a work computer, maybe it actually needs to be at work in order to do the updates. In other cases, Windows has got itself really twisted up, and you get gibberish looking error codes like these ones. But the numbers aren't as random as you might think. The 0x8024 errors is actually a Windows Update internal error. And they have their own special tool from Microsoft. The Windows Update Troubleshooting tool, which is linked up above here. Just download the correct one for your version of Windows and run it. Make sure you check for more updates at the end. If that doesn't work, you may have some errors like these ones. And if that's the case, Microsoft provides you with the Fix Windows Update Errors guided walkthrough at this link up here, which is a series of questions where you can dig deeper into the problem and get some Microsoft solutions. Here we scroll down to the first question and hopefully select Windows 10. Then it takes us through running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. If that doesn't fix the problem, there is a set of servicing stack updates that you can download, a different one depending on which version of Windows you've got at the moment. This next one takes you through downloading and reinstalling the latest update that your machine already has to see if that can fix the problem. Then we get into other options, including fixing corrupted Windows files, and these do take quite a long time, but they're well worth doing. We really don't want corrupted files in our Windows installation. The last step takes you through running an in-place upgrade to Windows. The last tip I have for you, if none of those work, is to put Windows Update Error and that error code that you get into Google and see if there's been a successful resolution there. The chances that you found an error code that's never been seen before and never been fixed before is pretty darn unlikely. There are tens of thousands of fixes out there. Not all of them the highest quality, but we'll get to that in a sec. Sometimes a few simple commands is all you need to do to save yourself a bunch of time and money taking the computer into a computer shop. Because the reality is that's probably all they'll do. A word of warning if you are Googling. It's time to ramp up the scam alert meter. And it'd probably be a great idea to have the Web of Trust tool that we talked about back in episode 28 installed. Be careful of ads on pages and magical cures, and don't pay anything for a tool to fix a Windows Update error. If you're stuck, come and join our Facebook group and ask in there. We can sort out the genuine answers from the internet snake oil. I hope that helps. The Tech Doctor is here to help you navigate the technology maze and become your own technician. There's some more episodes you might not have seen here and here. Or you can subscribe to our videos here so you get an alert every time they're released. There's also the Facebook group up here where you can come along, join us and ask your questions. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.